The Liebherr Group is a globally operating, family-owned company headquartered in Switzerland. With the invention of the mobile tower crane in 1949, Hans Liebherr began a fascinating success story. Today, Liebherr is not only one of the world's largest construction machinery manufacturers, it also operates successfully in many other business fields, such as maritime cranes, mining, refrigerators, aerospace, and the hospitality industry all over the world. In 1998, WiCAM delivered the first CAD-CAM programming system to Liebherr, which was so convincing that almost all Liebherr production facilities were gradually equipped with PN products. Some production sites have kindly given us an insight into the production process. In the middle of the Austrian Alps is the Liebherr plant in Nenzing, which specializes in construction machines. The plant is home to several plasma cutting systems with a length of up to 24 meters. As project manager Stefan Buckenmeier says, "Since we started using WiCAM, the orders have been extracted directly from the ERP system and fed back again. This saves us a lot of time and ensures a fault-free production run. Functions such as bevel cutting, multi-head control, and the multi-post-processor output are very effective and user-friendly." In Bavaria, Liebherr-Verzahntechnik produces machine tools and automation systems. The components for these machines are manufactured by Trumpf punching lasers and bending machines. Production manager Andreas Schräkle comments, "We have used WiCAM for several years, and our production line runs 22 hours a day. Our process reliability has increased significantly thanks to WiCAM. For complex recurring processes, we can set up routines that automatically fulfill our requirements and needs. Standard processes such as automatic order transfer and machine feedback are just two examples of processes we have come to rely on." On the Baltic Sea, at its 451,000 square metre site at the harbour, Liebherr-MCCtec Rostock produces harbour, offshore, ship cranes and reach stackers. These special devices, which are often very large, can move loads of up to 2,000 tons. Here, WiCAM supports several PPS-controlled multi-head plasma burners. Liebherr currently uses WiCAM to control more than 40 CNC machines at more than 10 production sites worldwide.